Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. It's Thursday, November the 14th, 2013. I'm Alan Barry Labucan. I'm the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. Every morning I go through a bunch of press releases, and the goal is to find good companies for you to follow, do your homework on, and hopefully find some investment winners in there. On today's show, I've got 8 companies to talk about. We're trying to keep the show to around a 10-minute time frame, so I'm going to get right to them. The first one is Almaden. Almaden had drilling results out that included 98 meters of 0.65 grams per ton gold, 15 grams per ton silver, which works out to 1 gram per ton gold equivalent. This project is it's their tsx-v project. It's a 100% old project in Mexico. They had several other good drill holes in there. You can find that on the company's press release. Just taking a look at the stock chart, or stock, they're up 4 cents today to $1.31 on this news. And the stock has it came off its bottom in June, had a good rally till about mid-August, has been under pressure since then. It's getting down to those sort of a double bottom, and it's looking like it's getting ready to get a lot more bullish in the near term. The next company is Ascot Resources. Ascot Resources announced drilling from their Premier project, which is in Stewart, British Columbia, Canada. One of the drill holes had 17 meters of 10.70 grams per ton gold in their S1 zone at Premier. They had several other very good drill holes in there. You can find that in the press release today. I'll get to that stock symbol in a second. Just looking at the stock right now, they're up 5 cents to 90 cents. That's up a nickel today. The stock had bottomed in August, had a fairly good run till the end of September, has been under some pressure, but it hasn't gone down below that August low, which is a very good indicator. It looks like this one's trend is about to get more bullish as well. The stock symbol on Ascot is AOT. They trade on the Venture Exchange. I forgot to tell you the stock symbol on Almaden earlier. It's AMM, and they trade on Toronto as well. The next company is Highland Copper Company. Highland Copper had some drill results out from a project in Michigan, if you will. I don't hear a lot of drilling in Michigan, but they definitely got some very good results from this drilling. They had a 9.8 meter intersection of 2.63% copper and 7.8 grams per ton of silver. They also had a 6.9 meter intersection of 4.43% copper and 4.7 grams of silver, and an 8 meter intersection of 3.92% copper and 13.4 grams per ton silver. Some very good numbers in there. I like what I'm seeing from that project in Michigan. Don't hear a lot of companies talking about Michigan projects. Just looking at the stock chart, they're a very patchy trader. They don't trade every day. The company, I think, needs some help on the audience building. Lately, it's been trading some fairly decent volume in the last week or 10 days. It's right now trading around 40 cents. I'm going to do a lot of homework on this one. I like what I see in those drill results. The next company is Turquoise Hill Resources. They had a quite extensive news release out regarding the negotiations that they're going through with Mongolia and how that's affecting and what the process of funding this project is. They've got one of the world's largest commodity producers in the world as a partner, so I don't think they're going to have any problem on the funding, but they need to get some permits and stuff like that, and they go extensively into explaining that in the press release. On the stock side of things, it's down 28 cents today. to $4.35. It's looking like it's making a triple bottom. It had a bottom in July, had another bottom in October. It's now at that same bottom price today. I think that this one's got a very good shot of turning around quite quickly. Oh, sorry, forgot the stock symbol on that is TRQ, and they trade on the Toronto Exchange. I probably forgot Highland Copper. That's HI on the venture. Having troubles remembering to tell you guys the stock symbols. The next company is BSM Technologies. BSM Technologies announced that they've been awarded a contract with the Fortune 500, Fortune Global 500 company to deploy their Sentinel FM solution. It's with the North American division of a Fortune Global 500 company. They're talking about 1,300 Sentinel FM units in addition to 300. So they're getting bigger, more contracts, and I'm liking what I'm seeing on that front. The stock is up 10 cents today to $3 even right now. Really powerful stock chart that started out in May. It's your classic bullish trend that tends to last a long time. Their stock symbol is GPS, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. Next company is Forum Uranium. Forum Uranium announced that they're following up. They've got a project up in Saskatchewan, right close to Fission Uranium and Patterson Lake, near the Patterson Lake South discovery of Fission Uranium and Alpha Minerals. And Forum Uranium has been doing a lot of the preliminary work to get ready to drill this project. They've done some radon surveys, and they've got some very good radon discoveries. In fact, their radon gas in some places is higher than what Alpha and Fission were finding at the Patterson Lake South. So good chance of making a discovery with that company. FDC, just looking at the stock chart, it's flat on the day. The stock chart, it looks to be at a bottom. Volume very soft as it's at this 30-cent level. I like its chances over the next 6 months. I think this company will be a significantly higher 6 months from now. FDC is their symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next company is Silvercrest. Silvercrest Mines announced that they had cash flow from operations of $7.1 million. Net earnings of $3.71 million. I find this very bullish because even though the price of silver has come down a lot over the last year over year, if you look at quarter to quarter, this company is doing even better than they were last time, this time last year. So, I find that to be very encouraging. And I think as the price of silver gets stronger, a company like a Silvercrest will be a strong performer. The stock is up 7 cents today to $1.68. Looking at the stock chart, it's sort of had a double bottom recently. I think it's ready to start trading to the upside right away here. SVL is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. And the final company today final two companies is Alpha Minerals and Fission Uranium. They had another great set of assay results out. This company just consistently delivers extremely high-grade uranium in their drilling. Today they had a 43-meter intersection of 1.93% uranium. Included in that was a 5-meter intersection of 9.91% uranium. This is just a phenomenal project, and I'm very bullish on both Fission Uranium. The stock looks like it's been consolidated since it hit its high in August, and now is flatlining over the last couple weeks, and I think it's ready to start trading to the upside. AMW follows, or Alpha Minerals follows a very similar path. And I think that they're on trend to trade higher in the near term as well. Fission Uranium stock symbol is FCU. They trade on the Venture Exchange, and the Alpha Minerals is AMW. Just packed with information today because there's just a lot of good companies putting out really great info. I know I'm trying to keep this to 10 minutes, but I think I ran over a little bit today. Again, I'm not going to apologize for running over when there's so much good news to talk about.